What's up, guys? We're on the Thunderbird at Texas State Fair.
180 feet, huh?
Yeah, 180 feet tall. Really nice. There's the tower, the top
Look at
Texas
the
Tower.
Texas skyline.
Yeah, Texas skyline is pretty beautiful today. Gorgeous in Texas. Dallas, pretty cool up here. Biggest Ferris wheel. We wanted to go on a ride. It broke down. This fair is way too expensive.
Yeah.
Wouldn't recommend. But if you have an expensive taste, then I would recommend. But